Week 8 of distance learning. So here's the weekly lesson plan, and the first task that you are going to do is a test grade. You are taking a test over everything that you learned about exponentials in weeks 6 and 7. Now, I did make a short review for you. It is just a PDF, a couple of pages that breaks down some of the information for you, and Ms. Judge also made a video explanation for you. Now, task number 2, and I've noticed a lot of people have been skipping this lately, you need to watch the notes video to understand how you are going to solve. There's also different ways that you are going to be expected to round, so if you need some more help with the rounding rules, you can watch this review. Now, task number 3, this is the one that's optional, but you can get up to 10 bonus points if you decide to do it. Here's a blank copy of the worksheet, and then you would submit your answers here. Now, if you get anything wrong and you want to know why you did, you can watch this video. Now, task number 4, this is the part that you must do. You are going to take a 5-question quiz over solving exponential growth and decay problems. So make sure that you are rounding to 2 decimal places for money and to whole numbers for everything else. So I'm going to leave student view so that you can see this. It'll be available for you on Saturday, the 9th. And let's preview what this would look like. Okay, I wanted to show you that I've actually managed, Ms. Rittmuller actually showed me how to embed one of these calculators into the assignment. So let's say on this one you needed to do, I'm just going to make something up, let's do 2 times 3, and then I needed to raise that to an exponent. So you would hit this a to the b power, and you can put in whatever exponent you want, and there you go. So if you've been having trouble with finding a calculator, it should be right here for you now. So the only difference if you go to CM is that your task 1, you are going to take your test here, and for task 4, you are going to submit your quiz here. Otherwise, everything is the same.